The latest survey shows President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s trust rating has dropped to negative 13%. But according to Quezon City Councilor Rani Ludovica, the current administration has already become desensitized to what is happening in the country. Almar Fersuelo has the details.
Cases, arrest warrants, and various forms of alleged intimidation are now reportedly being faced by critics of the Marcos Jr. administration. Among the most notable examples, according to critics, are former President Rodrigo Duterte, who they claim was illegally arrested and detained in The Hague, the alleged religious persecution of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ and Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy, and the pending cases involving personalities critical of the government. This was the assessment of Quezon City 2nd District Councilor Rani Ludovica regarding the situation faced by government critics.
Pinoproteksyonan yung mga kapwa nilang gumagawa ng katarantaduhan sa bayang ito at yung mga lumalabas sa katotohanan ay talagang pinipressure at tinatambakan ka ng katakot-takot na asunto. Ano tawag nyo ron? Di ba panggigipit?
In an interview with SMNA News, the councilor insisted that the alleged pressure has even reached the Senate. This comes as the upper chamber is set to convene as a Senate impeachment court in the impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte.
Tignan mo kung paano ginagamit ng administrasyong ito ang lahat ng power ng gobyerno sa panggigipit doon sa mga hindi nila kapanalig. Noong wala pa silang bilang, ay talagang todo ang pagpe-presscon at paglalabas ni Boying Rimulya, ni Ombudsman. Tinatakot itong mga senador na may pending na investigation sa kanila. Gaya ni Chis Escudero, ni Joel Villanueva, at pati si Marcoleta. Dahil nga meron na silang 13 senador na bilang at definitely maaagaw na nila yung majority sa Senado.
The Gatchalian bloc has taken over the Senate leadership from the Cayetano wing. Under the leadership of former Senate President Alan Cayetano, the so-called Brave 18 emerged in the Senate. Former soldiers who served as security aides to resigned Congressman Zaldeco. They allegedly served as the delivery team for suitcase kickbacks connected to flood control projects. According to the Brave 18, several senators received suitcases containing money.
Talagang may gusto silang pagtakpan o may kinatatakutan sila na baka pag hindi agad ito na-dethrone ang Cayetano Group ay mabubunyag ang lihim na kinatatakutan ng administrasyong ito.
But despite President Marcos Jr.'s very low survey ratings, the administration appears unfazed. The latest SWS survey, the president's net satisfaction rating fell to a poor rating of negative 15 in the first quarter of 2026.
Manhid na lang talaga ang administrasyong ito eh. Lahat ng tao, ultimo bata, alam na. Pero sila, nagmamang-maangan pa rin. Kita nyo naman sa huling survey ngayon, negative 13 ang trust rating ni Marcos.
Reporter for Newsline World, Almar Forsualo, SMNA News.